This AI can turn literally any idea into a cinematic tiny world video, like a miniature burger factory run by tiny chefs inside a giant kitchen. And the craziest part, the entire thing is made with AI. So in just a few minutes, using HitPaw Edimakor, you can create these insane miniature world videos right inside your browser. No downloads, no editing experience, nothing complicated. And yeah, you can even try it for free. I dropped a link in the first line of the description. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these viral tiny world videos from scratch using AI. So if you want to make content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok that actually grabs attention, keep watching. Now first, you need a strong idea. Maybe it's a tiny pizza shop where miniature chefs are making giant pizzas, or a strawberry farm where tiny workers are harvesting massive strawberries. Maybe it's a futuristic tech workshop where tiny engineers are repairing a huge smartphone, or even a miniature construction site inside a coffee cup. Once you've got the idea, the next step is turning it into a prompt. And for that, you can use ChatGPT. I already used ChatGPT to generate a few tiny world prompts right here. For example, this one, Giant Burger Kitchen. So we're going to use this exact prompt to create our miniature world video. First, copy the prompt. Now jump into HitPaw Edimakor. Once you open it up, you'll see an interface like this. And this is where things get interesting. First, we're going to generate the image. Click on Text to Image. Now paste your prompt into the prompt box. At the top, you'll see different AI models. You can choose whichever model you want for generating your image. For this video, we're selecting Google Nano Banana 2. Next, choose your resolution. Then select the aspect ratio. We're going with 9:16 since this works perfectly for shorts and reels. You can also choose how many image outputs you want. And here's the key part. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more cinematic your final result will look. Now hit Generate. After a few seconds, our image is ready. Click on the image to zoom in. And just look at the quality. The detail honestly looks way better than you'd expect. Now to save the image, just click Download Image. And it'll be saved to your gallery. But now comes the fun part. We're going to turn this image into a full AI video. Click on Image to Video, then upload the image we just created. Hit the plus icon, select the image from your gallery, and upload it. You'll also see a format option here. If you want, you can change the format manually, but we're keeping it at the original 9:16 size. Then click OK. Now at the top, you'll see the Video Models section. Click there, and you'll get access to all the available AI video models. Choose whichever one you want to animate your image with. For this example, we're using Kling 3.0. Now paste the same prompt into the prompt box. Then choose the video duration. We're setting it to 8 seconds. You'll also see two modes here, Standard and Professional. We're going with Professional for higher quality output. And right here, you can enable or disable audio depending on whether you want AI-generated sound in the video. Just hit Generate, and your image instantly starts transforming into a cinematic AI video. Give it a few moments to render, and it's done. Let's play it back. Look at the motion and the detail. The overall quality actually feels like a professionally animated scene. And the crazy part is, this all started from a single idea and one prompt. So now you can literally take any concept you imagine, generate an image with AI, then turn that image into a full animated tiny world video using HitPaw Edimakor. You can post these on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, and they have serious viral potential because this style of content grabs attention instantly. To download your final video, just click Download Video, and it'll save directly to your gallery. Now, you can try HitPaw Edimakor for free, but the free version does come with a few limitations. If you want unlimited access and all the premium features, you can upgrade to one of their monthly or yearly plans based on what works best for you. I've added the link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.